Hi, hello! Hello guys! Magandang buhay! I'm Malu Castro, a mother, a mama of four grown children. I have 3 beautiful grandkids. And I love, from Teresa Rizal and moved to Mandaluyong City. Well, I love outdoors, walking, and swimming, and of course, Zumba. I love also dancing and singing. Yes, I'm a loving mother. And also, yes, I am so blessed with my children, my grandkids. And that's all. Mabuhay!
We find our way, move so fast, we make it last. Chasing time, it's running past. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way.
Good afternoon. Andito naman yung ulang isda. Explore life to the forest. Oh guys, andito tayo sa outdoors. I love swimming. Yes. At kasama ko ang pamilya today. At mamaya mag-swimming tayo. Zumba, dancing, singing, yes, and of course, I love Noga Bears. To keep fit and healthy. To live longer and add life. Oh my gosh. And may kasabihan din tayo, explore life to the fullest because life is too short. O, diba? So enjoy life. Keep on going. Yes. Babu.